Breakfast is being served, baby.
Guys, a successful relationship requires delegation and your leadership. A successful relationship requires delegation and your leadership. If you're fortunate and blessed to find a tribe, to find a woman that you can rely on, appreciate it, but just know that that can be taken away from you. If you find a good woman, you find somebody or people that are going to support your mission, delegate them and put them in positions where they're at their strongest. Women are at their strongest when they're in their feminine. When are men at their strongest? When they're in their masculine. That's how we complement one another. That's how you rule the world. There can only be one driver. There can only be one bull in the pen. Which one are you going to be? I don't care if she makes more money than you and you make less money. At the end of the day, if you have knowledge of self and you are delegating responsibilities and you are leading to become better versions of each other, you'll be unstoppable. Guys, I appreciate everybody for being here. If you enjoyed the show, once again, cash at me at Alpha Valence. They are demonetizing channels who are speaking the truth. Keep grinding. Build your own stage. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
According to the Survey Center on American Life, 79% of married men are very satisfied with their relationship. But expectations have been stressful for men bearing the burden of performance to a woman's nature. Men have to protect and provide only to be replaced by a bigger, better deal. Patriarchy Poker will teach men how to be more confident, control their emotions, and know when to hold or fold with a woman they're in a committed relationship with. It's time to accept the beautiful lies and ugly truths, to become the man a woman can respect and other men want to be like. Go to patriarchypoker.com to get our committed relationship playing cards or relationship and dating playing cards. Because life's a gamble, so play like a man.